Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this Casio FX-991ES PLUS 2nd edition Natural Textbook Display Scientific Calculator. This is non-programmable. Let's have a look around the box. This is a quick unboxing video and I'm gonna start it up and look at the function and see how it works. So let's open it up from here. Okay, and that's all comes from the box. Let's put it aside, and this is the user manual. User manual comes in different languages, so it comes in English, and I think this is in French, and this is in Arabic. The manuals are printed in Malaysia, and the calculator is made in Thailand. So it comes in a hard case for protection. There's the solar panel here, and it uses LR44 battery, one LR44 battery, and also it uses the solar panel. So let's start it up. This is the on button here, and came on. Let's just say 65 plus 5 NT. It has lots of functions here. Let's say the root of 64 will be 8. Let's say 5 to the power of 2, 25. This calculator get very good for school or college or whatever use you need. I bought it for middle school students. They required it from school. So this is all that comes in the box: the user manual, the calculator, this hard case, and the box itself. How do you shut it off? Shift AC. Shift AC. So it shuts off, and you have here some information in the hard case: unit conversion and scientific constants. And this is some quick settings. For example, initializing the calculator, contrast settings, and some other functions here. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.